how to mute chat notifications on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute chat notifications on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then just select any chat you want here, like this one, and then hold on it, and as you see this icon here in the top, mute notifications, click on it, and here you will find always select it and click OK. And as you see this chat have been muted. And that's how to mute chat notifications on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.